Samsung is taking this from Apple. What's up guys, we're back with the latest news. Samsung is making some big moves regarding the future of its smartphone camera. We've already heard that they're working in collaboration with Olympus, and now Samsung is working on something only Apple has done. According to Galaxy Club, Samsung is testing out a phone with a sensor shift camera. Yes, Samsung could bring sensor shift stabilization on its future Galaxy smartphone. The sensor shift stabilization was used on a phone for the first time by Apple on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Unlike the traditional optical image stabilization that Samsung uses, which is only applied to the lens, the sensor shift image stabilization is applied to the whole camera sensor rather than the lens, which creates a better stabilization performance and improved image quality. This has been used in professional DSLR cameras for years, and Apple was the first company to bring this on a smartphone. In fact, this year Apple is set to bring sensor shift stabilization on all iPhone 13 models. So it seems like Samsung has finally taken the inspiration from Apple and they're working on their own sensor shift image stabilization for future Galaxy smartphone cameras. This might be one of the things on which Samsung and Olympus are working, so definitely looking forward to this. Also in the news, we have some brand new hands-on images of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A82. This smartphone is indeed rocking a curved edge display, giving it a full-on bezel-less look. We also have a quick unboxing video as well. It's pretty much rocking a similar design on the back as the Galaxy A series with similar camera setup as the Galaxy A52. From the looks of these hands-on leaks, it seems like this phone is gonna get announced very soon. Now speaking of launches, we have a massive news regarding the Galaxy Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 2. According to Korean media, Samsung could announce the new foldable devices as early as July, which is about 1 month early compared to the previous August release date. The report further mentions new technologies such as under-display camera and stylus coming for the first time on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 could be the most beautiful looking foldable phone out there with almost zero bezel for the outer display. Korean media Elec mentions that the upper and lower edges will have almost zero bezel, giving it a complete bezel-less look. We also have the battery size leaked for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Apparently it is 3% smaller than the Galaxy Z Fold 2, coming at 4,380 mAh. This is about the same capacity as the original Galaxy Fold. Samsung is set to once again use dual battery system. Now even though the battery has gone a bit smaller, it is coming with the latest generation hardware, so you're gonna see 5nm processor, which obviously brings some much needed power efficiency gains. Now we won't be seeing a Galaxy Note 21 announcement in the month of August, so it's gonna be very interesting to see what Samsung will do for the rest of the year after they are done with their foldables. Now last but not the least, we have a quick update regarding LG. As we know, LG quit smartphone business, but they have actually confirmed that they will be providing software updates to their existing devices. So this includes number of LG phones set to receive Android 11 and even Android 12 update, with only 3 of them will get Android 13 update. This is definitely a sign of relief for those people who are using the latest LG devices. You will still get the software updates despite LG not doing the smartphone business. So that's all the latest news. Samsung is about to take one feature from Apple's book. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.